When constant disruption becomes business as usual, business agility becomes the ultimate competitive advantage. In a world where fluctuations in demand and disruptions to supply happen overnight, customers are most loyal to companies that have adapted by morning. That requires teams having access to the right data at the right time, with applications that can turn information into insight so you can see the way forward. Business agility is the result of seamless collaboration from product ideation to delivery, cutting through the noise with solutions that reduce complexity, identify risk, and mitigate issues before they become problems, where every relevant data point is easily accessible to you and everyone in your ecosystem from a single source of truth that can inspire innovation and unleash your team's creativity and potential in ways you never imagined possible. 3DEXPERIENCE Works is an innovation portfolio that connects your people, data, and applications in a unified, collaborative environment, bringing the entire organization together under one virtual roof. So you can adapt to market changes in real time and at every level. Do more than future-proof your organization. Infuse it with the power and agility you need to succeed today and beyond.